When your Gorenje dishwasher isn't draining properly, start with a thorough visual inspection. Look for standing water at the bottom of the tub and check for visible debris around the drain area. Modern Gorenje dishwashers display specific error codes when drainage problems occur. The most common codes are E4, E5, and E6, which all indicate different types of drainage issues. The most common cause of drainage issues is a clogged filter assembly. This multi-layer system includes coarse, fine, and cylindrical filters located at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. To clean the filters, first remove the bottom dish rack to access the filter assembly. Unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise, then lift out the other filter components. Next, inspect the drain hose for kinks, clogs, or improper installation. The hose should have a high loop configuration to prevent backflow from the garbage disposal or sink drain. For stubborn clogs in the drain hose, use a plumbing snake or high-pressure water to clear blockages. Always avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials when cleaning filters, as these can damage the components. By following these diagnostic steps and cleaning procedures, you can resolve most common Gorenje dishwasher drainage issues. Regular maintenance of filters and proper hose installation will prevent future problems. When cleaning filters and drain hose doesn't resolve drainage issues, the problem likely lies with the drain pump itself. The drain pump is the heart of your dishwasher's drainage system and requires careful inspection. Once you have access to the drain pump, inspect it carefully for visible obstructions or damage. The pump impeller, which looks like a star-shaped blade, is particularly prone to debris accumulation. After cleaning, test the motor for electrical continuity and proper operation. If the motor shows signs of failure, such as no electrical continuity, unusual noises, or failure to operate, replacement is necessary. Preventative maintenance is crucial for avoiding drainage problems. Clean filters monthly, inspect the drain hose quarterly, and run a vinegar cycle every 3 months to prevent mineral buildup, especially in hard water areas. According to the Appliance Repair Association, 80% of dishwasher drainage issues are preventable through proper maintenance. Filter cleaning every 2 to 4 weeks reduces major repairs by 65%. Gorenje technical support data shows that clogged filters account for 45% of all drainage issues. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps and maintaining a regular preventative maintenance schedule, you can keep your Gorenje dishwasher draining smoothly and avoid costly repairs. Remember to always disconnect power before working on your appliance and consult a professional if you're unsure about any electrical testing procedures.